What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz, Emmy's car, and the E30 back here with another video. Emmy is getting her fenders rolled today, finally, which is the next step before getting paint. So we are about to toss on the gram lights on the front because these stock wheels are on wires, and then we're gonna take it to get the fenders rolled.
Me?
I have to. People then would ask questions, why are the gram lights just on the front? Anyways, that's what we're doing. Let's swap over some gram lights and then we'll be messing with the E30 later tonight. Alright, so I lied. This tire was fine. We just put one other Miata spare on this side from my Miata. So just borrowing this wheel for the day. We're letting her car warm up and then we are headed out. As for the E30 this evening, I plan to pull it into the garage, change the oil, and then see if we can diagnose a couple little things. Let's do it, boys. Alright, y'all, we made it all the way out here and we pulled into the driveway immediately. Static Accord, bag GTI. The GTI is a customer's. He just got done rolling the fenders on that, I think within the last couple days. And then this is his Accord laid out on some 18s. Looks absolutely awesome. We got the wagon, and then he has a little shop over here which he works out of. Super cool. Let me show you guys. Alright, so he is currently finishing up the last corner, and if you guys don't want to pay out the ass for fender rolling, he also does coilover, bag installations, other suspension work as well, so hit him up. I'll just be straight up with you guys. It was $180 for all four corners. Initially, Emmy was quoted $260 to $280, and this is all four corners rolled and slight pull, so can't beat it. The link to his Instagram will be down below. Hit him up.
Shit, come get your fenders rolled.
Come get your fenders rolled. Alright, y'all, we are back home. Emmy and I probably just spent the last hour and a half, almost 2 hours cleaning out the garage. Show you guys super fast. So I'm sure you've seen what it looks like in other videos. Got the jacks, got the light stand, got all the tires organized, plenty of storage room over here now, and a nice clean space to work on the E30. Let's pull it in and start draining the oil. And just like that, the E30 is in the garage. For our oil change tonight, we are stepping up from 1040 to 1540 full synthetic Rotella. We have STP zinc, shout out Emmy. And lastly, we have a Bosch filter, came with the car, didn't have to get one. That is awesome. I'm gonna get this thing in the air, get it draining, and we'll go from there. Y'all, it just took, oh my god, it just took a whole hour, bro, to take off the filter. It took a whole hour, dude. Oh my god. I just cleaned the garage, dude. Literally just cleaned the garage. Oh my god. This is the worst filter location I've ever seen in my lifetime, dude. God dang, bro. Don't ever try to change E30 oil. Holy shit. Dude, I'm literally not kidding when I tell you guys that just took an hour because it was on there so tight. I found the bigger oil filter wrench. I found the smaller oil filter wrench, but I did not find the one I needed. That should not have been on there that tight. But we got it. We can put the new filter on and fill this thing back up with oil. Oh my god. Like, dude, alright. Time to finish this and go to sleep, bro. I'm gonna do 4.5 quarts. I googled it and it said anything from 4.25 to like 5.75. We're gonna do 4.5. Check it tomorrow. Kind of bummed, man. This is supposed to be a good video. Just start the oil change, knock it out, and then dive into the cluster stuff, seeing if we can figure out why the temp sensor was wiggling a little bit. But it just turned into quite a mess, literally and figuratively. I don't know, man. I'm so tired. I have work tomorrow morning, so I probably will not. I'm not doing any more tonight. The zinc is going in, so we'll be good. This thing has almost 5 quarts in it, plus the zinc. We should be fine. Like I said, I will check it in the future. Moonstruck drop. He is currently making the shirts like as we speak, and they should be out within 2 weeks. I'm gonna say not this Friday, not next Friday, but the Friday after that. I don't know. I'll post about it. I promise I'll post plenty in advance. But anyways, guys, I hope you have enjoyed. This has been Fitz, Emmy, the E30, and the Miata back here with another video. And we will see you in the next one. Hopefully it'll go a little bit smoother.